How to find Google Classroom code as student. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google on your device. Then search Google Classroom and click on Google Classroom. Make sure you're logged in to your Google account and you'll find this kind of screen. In here, you'll find all your classes available. Simply click on the class you want to see code of. After you've clicked on the class, in here you'll find this kind of screen. Scroll down and you will find class code. You can copy it by simply selecting there or click on the display option and you will find it in a bigger image. You can also click on copy invite link, and this is how to find Google Classroom code as student. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.